Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve this React Native screen's error. So let's get started. First of all, we are gonna go to Google and create React Native CLI project from scratch, and we have to select this one, get started without a framework, and I'm gonna copy this first command. I'm gonna paste it here in the terminal, and then I'm gonna copy the second command, and I'm gonna name the project RNS. So it will take some time. Do you want to install Cocoa Pod? Yes. So our project is created. Now let's run it. We're using IO simulator. So our project is working fine. So let's install the React navigation. Getting started. We have to install these packages. And we have to include this code in the Android file, main activity file.kt. So it is in the Android folder, app, src, main, java, and main activity. Main activity. Yes, we have to place this code at the top here, and make sure to copy this and include it as well at let's go to the next page and install this package as well, React Navigation Native Stack. And now let's test it. In order to test it, we are going to copy all of this code and we are going to place it in our app.js file. I'm gonna select all, remove it, and I'm gonna place this. So it should be working when we start it, but it will not work. There's a reason for it. So you see, it is giving us the error RNSScreenStackHeaderConfig. So we are going to solve it now. How we're gonna solve it is we simply have to stop this metro, and we have to go to first iOS. We have to pod install, and then we have to come to the main folder, go back and copy this command and paste it. So our the error for Android is still there. The iOS error is fixed, but on the Android emulator the error will still be there. So in order to solve both the error, we also have to go to Android folder as well, cd Android, and at here we have to say Gradle clean, GRADLEW clean. So let's go to our main folder and run the project, and hopefully our error will be fixed. So there you go, our error is solved successfully, so we're not facing the problem anymore. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. And one last thing, when you run this metro, don't just reload it, you have to restart the whole metro. Like you have to stop it and restart it and then press I. that's uh, that's how your error will be fixed. So thank you again, take care.